Today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. Good morning to all the beautiful souls present here. I Dash is here to present a speech on the occasion of Children's Day. So let's chat. Children's Day is celebrated across India on November 14th, the birth anniversary of former Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The celebration of Children's Day or Bal Divas in India dates back to 1956 and is a day to increase awareness about the rights of education of children. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is often cited as saying that children should always be carefully and lovingly treated as they are future of the nations and the citizens of tomorrow. Before his death, Children's Day was celebrated on November 20, coinciding with Universal Children's Day by the United Nations. After his death in 1964, a resolution was passed in the parliament to give him a benefiting farewell, and it was unanimously decided to celebrate his birthday as Bal Divas or Children's Day. To mark Children's Day, school organize fun and motivational functions. Many schools allow kids to ditch their school uniform as it is an joyous occasion for all children. That it's for this time, friends. Hope to see you soon. And don't forget to, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have an issue or a suggestion. Later, peace out. Bye, friends. Be realistic and explore your creativity.